Welcome to the Geniverse. We're going to see how to produce such a beautiful high resolution result by combining different text phrases. You know that you can go to the prompt area and type different phrases that are going to guide the artificial intelligence architecture. So once you have a few of those phrases, like these ones, I dream of a bright future where we can break all our infinite walls. So you have these prompts, you go to generate, and at the beginning we want to quickly create a base for the content, and then in a second stage we will fill in the details and bring it to a higher resolution and quality finished result. So we go to the settings, we can set a low size to begin with, a lot of realism so that we get that base content, a rich base of content, and a good strength so that the AI evolves quickly and produces content. So once we have that data, we can click on generate. And so here we have the base of the content, this person on the right that is contemplating these walls and is dreaming of breaking these infinite walls towards a brighter and more colorful future. So we can review the generation and pick one that we like. We're just gonna pick the last one, so we keep it. That's it. All right, and now we're gonna move on to the second stage, because this first version has the base of the content, but it doesn't have a lot of refinement and detail. So we go back to the generation, we have the prompts, and we also select that result. So this time we're gonna begin, instead of from noise, we're gonna begin from the result that we obtained, but changing the settings. Now we're gonna go to a much higher size so that we get more detail. And we're gonna lower the strength so that we don't change the content. We want to preserve the content, but add more details, fill in the details with a higher resolution. That's it. And we go. And now the AI is gonna begin not from noise, but from that last result. And it's gonna fill in the details and get it way richer so that we can download a very high resolution version that we can use professionally for any purpose that we like. All right, here we have it. So we keep it, that's it. And now when we exit, all right, we can compare them. So it was the first one, this is the new one. So the first one, we see the content, but the detail is not refined. The new one, we see the content and the detail has been filled in, refined, is smooth, is continuous, is high quality. So if we look at the first one, if we click on the corner, bottom left corner, we see that it's a 224 times 224 pixel image that we could enlarge thanks to AI to 800 pixels, but the new one has started at 496 pixels and we can enhance it until almost 2000 pixels, and this will produce a 2K image that we can use professionally for any purpose that we want. So that has been an example of quickly creating a high resolution artwork, and now is your turn. Now is your turn to create something amazing at the Geniverse. Go for it. Keep on creating.